Hey my loves, welcome back for another video. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley and today we're working with BestHairBuy to bring you a braided hair video. So of course we're not going to be braiding our hair in real life. We're going to be using a braided lace wig, which is, in my opinion, one of the best ways to achieve the look without all of the time and effort and energy. So as you guys can see, before I was rocking a headband wig, so I am all about the quick and easy wigs for installs to switch up my looks. Now here is a good look at what this wig is going to look like. The inside construction of the cap, it is a lace wig, as you guys can see, and they've actually added the braids on top, and as you guys can see, it is absolutely beautiful. I was blown away by how good this one looks off the bat, and it's going to be a super quick and easy install because honestly it fits so good there was not much to do. So the first thing we're going to do is to tint the lace. This one does fit glueless, but you definitely want to bond it down a little bit so that, you know, it doesn't slide back or anything crazy. They've also included an elastic band, and of course you don't have to bleach the knots or anything like that. I just like to tint the lace using a foundation so that the lace matches my skin perfectly. One thing you'll notice is that it does take a little bit of effort to get the lace onto my head, which is exactly what you want because it fits so flat, so smooth, so neat. Again, it fits glueless, so you really are in the best shape to be able to bond this one down super simple and easy. And again, if you don't put any adhesive on it, or you know, if your adhesive wears off, this one is going to fit good because it's not gonna show or look too loose in the front. It's gonna look super flat and amazing. Also, I want to mention a few deets about this one. It's 28 inches in length. You can also receive this one in the color 1B, and they also gave me a coupon code for you guys, so you can check out the description box, and that's where you can find it to get money off. The lace is Swiss lace, and as I said before, you don't have to bleach the knots because it's already done for you. So now that we've cut off the excess lace, you can go ahead and bond it down with your adhesive of choice. I'm going to go with a non-glue adhesive, as I said before, just because I want to hold it in place. I don't want it to slide back. My kids are at the age where they can't get pulled so easily, so I just want to make sure that everything fits flawless, especially because I'm going to add baby hair. I feel like baby hair does look better when the wig is bonded down opposed to when it's glueless, and that's talking about like realistic everyday running around, running errands and all that. It just tends to lay in place much better if the wig is bonded down some way or another. I like to use the blow dryer to make sure that my adhesive sticks really good, and then from here I'm going to do each side until all the sides and the full hairline is bonded down. If you haven't already, hit that bell button and subscribe. It'll help me out so much. Okay guys, this wig is officially installed, and it was actually super easy to install. The braids are not heavy at all. They look thick, which is a good thing, but they don't feel heavy because some wigs, especially braided wigs, will feel heavy, and it'll make it feel like if the wig is heavy and you bond it down, especially with a non-glue adhesive, it will feel like it's gonna lift, and I don't have that problem at all. I cannot believe how quick and easy this wig was to install. This is very beginner friendly, and as you guys can see, they included baby hair, but it's definitely not too much. So rule of thumb, you always want to have the baby hair above the eyebrows. It's never necessary to have it, you know, longer than the eyebrows. Of course, everyone has a preference, so I'm pretty sure there are a group of people in this world, you know, that like it that long, especially if you're someone who does like designs. But if you are like me, you want it above the eyebrow, and then for sideburns, you want it, the longest you want it is to meet the ear, and then if you decide to go shorter than that, that's also an option, but typically you don't necessarily want or need sideburn hairs to be like longer than your ears. And I do like to cut it a little bit jagged so that the hair do not come out too uniformed. I'm going to take a baby hair brush and some foam lotion, and I'm going to go ahead and try to form some good baby hair. Of course, I'm going to go ahead and lay this baby hair down with a scarf and all that. But honestly, I'm in awe at how simple and effortless this wig was. Like, it really took no time to achieve the look that I want. And we are pretty much done. I'm going to take my foundation brush and just trying to buff some powder in there. Instead of using the mousse, I would definitely actually use an edge control. But sometimes I like it when the baby hairs are all over the place. So I'm definitely here for it. And that's pretty much it. Now, I would not recommend, you guys know whenever I do wigs, I always put concealer in the parting for like my regular wigs. With a wig like this where you have braids, I do not recommend that at all. I kind of feel like it's going to look crazy and messy and just turn into completely something else. So don't do that at all. Just focus on tinting the lace underneath when it comes to the inside of the lace. So let me know what you guys think of this one. Again, she came from BestHairBuy, and I absolutely love the fact that it's not heavy. The wig moves. It's a beautiful color. If you want, you can do it half up, half down. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and to do my nails, I just popped my nails off yesterday, so I'm going to be doing them with the Ombre, and I'm going to actually record that hopefully tomorrow or the next day. So again, there's so much content coming on this channel. Make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss anything at all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches!